going to start putting some of our pages together. I'm taking some of the tea stain pages in the kit and folding them in half, and then I'll be doing some stamping on them. And in between each page, I will be showing you the picture of what the outcome of each page is, so you can get a better close-up view of the stamping that I did. Basically, I just used different inks and stamps that I had in my stash, and just did just layering with lighter colors and then darker colors, just to make a complete background on each of the pages. And so the pictures will detail that, because sometimes it's hard to see that in the video. On one of the pages, I was playing around with some alcohol ink, and I didn't really like how it turned out, so I'm more or less covering it up by adding some acrylic paint. It's in some kind of a cream color, and I'm just adding streaks of it up and down the pages. Basically, it's going to create some texture to the background. And then I move that aside, let it dry while I finish stamping the other pages. And then I'll go back to that page after the paint has dried and do some stamping over the paint. And it really creates a neat look and feel to the paper, and a depth with the layering of the alcohol ink behind the paint. And then you have the paint, and then you have the stamping on top of the paint. So it's really a neat effect on the paper for your junk journals. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial with me, stamping our pages together. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. You can comment below, you can email me directly, or contact me on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter. Also, stay tuned for the next tutorial that I will be uploading, where we are going to use the napkin that came in the kit. Decoupage is basically what we're going to be doing. So I will be uploading that next, so stay tuned for that very soon. Have a great day. Bye.